In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a PlayPosit. First, log in, and you can choose from a variety of different logins, or you can use an email address and create a password. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my Google account. Go ahead and click Allow. And then it's going to ask you what best describes you. I am an instructor. Which grades do you primarily teach? And I teach science. How do you plan to create content? I'm going to select I plan to build lessons on videos I create. And then click Begin. So here's the teacher dashboard. And on the teacher's dashboard, you have the opportunity to update your profile. You can design video bulbs, and you can add students. Also along the top, you can see your bulbs, you can view your bulbs, the ones that you've created, and you can monitor student progress, and you also can design bulbs as well. So let's go ahead and click on Add Students. Right. To add students in your class, you need to create your classes. So when you create your class, you probably want to create it by period. Right? So especially if you're teaching the same class, like for instance I teach all honors anatomy, so period 2 honors anatomy, right? It's science, and then I just create class. And then if I want another one, period 4 honors anatomy, create class. Okay, so if I'm done creating my classes, I can go ahead and start to add students into these classes. So now that I've created my classes, a new window will appear. You may have to hit the refresh button in order for this new information to appear. And what this information tells you is that you now have a class code. Now I would advise you to have your students log on to PlayPosit from whatever device they're using, a Chromebook or an iPad, and then have them punch in the class code. So now we're going to look at PlayPosit from a student's perspective and how they're supposed to sign up. So go ahead and have your students click on the Google sign in. Click Allow. And what you'll see is the student dashboard. And what students will now need to do is they will need to add a class. So there's one of two ways they can add a class. They can search it by name, or they can use the class code. So going back to the teacher's perspective, if I click Add Students, I can see this code. And what you want to do is you want to project this code so that students can see it and punch it in. So once they've entered the code, go ahead and have them click Search, and all of the classes that you have set up will appear, and then just have them choose the correct period and choose the correct class, and then click Done, and that new class will appear. So any new bulb that you create will be in that period's PlayPosit class, and that's how you set up PlayPosit.